Hello, welcome to the Scientific Publications channel. Today we will look at how to use ChatGPT for your research to the fullest. You will learn how to properly make requests in the chat and get specific examples that will make your work much easier. So let's begin. What is a prompt? A prompt is a request you give to ChatGPT to get a specific answer. But not every prompt will give you the perfect result. To get the most accurate and useful answer, it's important to construct the request correctly. Here are 6 key components that will make your prompt successful. Task. Start with a clear verb that defines your task. For example, find, analyze, formulate, etc. Context. Provide the necessary context. Say what you are researching and why it's important. Example. If possible, add specific examples or structure to help the model understand your request better. Role. Define the role ChatGPT should play. For example, academic expert or researcher. Format. Say in which format you want the answer. It could be a table, a list, or a text block. Tone. Specify the tone of the answer, whether it is formal, casual, or enthusiastic. Here is an example. Task. Analyze scientific papers. Context. I am working on the topic of climate change's impact on agriculture. Example. I am interested in research from the last 10 years. Role. Act as an academic researcher. Format. Provide results as a list with a short description of each paper. Tone. The answer should be formal and professional. This prompt includes all key elements and ensures a relevant and useful answer. This is your golden key. Now let's look at examples of prompts for each stage of writing a paper. Number 1. How to gather information for your article. Before starting research, it's important to know what has already been done in your field. But looking through countless journals and papers can be tiring. Luckily for us, ChatGPT offers a more efficient way. Here is a prompt you should try. Here the role, task, context and format are clear, so we see that the prompt is good. Number 2. How to summarize complex sources. The next prompt will help you get the key ideas from any research paper. It ensures that you understand its main message without getting lost in details. Number 3. How to formulate a research question. If creating the perfect question for your research seems difficult, don't worry. ChatGPT is here to help you brainstorm, refine and finally find a question that will become the foundation of a first-class research paper. Number 4. How to optimize research methodology. Whether you are researching qualitative or quantitative methods or just trying to understand the best approach to presenting your topic, this prompt will help you find a method that matches your research goals. Number 5. How to find data sources. Hunting for relevant, reliable data sources sometimes feel like looking for a needle in a haystack. But with the right ChatGPT prompt, you can quickly identify sources that will be the foundation of your research. Number 6. How to create a paper outline. With the right ChatGPT prompt, you can create a well-structured outline for your paper. Whether it's a complex research paper or just a literature review, this prompt will help you outline your research clearly and methodically. Number 7. How to improve readability. Diving deep into academic research often leads to writing complex texts. But complexity doesn't mean that the document has to be hard to read. With ChatGPT, you can present your results in a way that is both deep and easy to understand. Number 8. How to interpret reviewer feedback. Decoding comments, suggestions, and possible criticism from reviewer requires a clear and focused mind. Or you can simply use ChatGPT to better understand the reviewer's feedback, ensuring that the changes to the paper are relevant and effectively solve the problem. Number 9. How to write an abstract. Use this ChatGPT prompt to effectively highlight the essence of your research, as the abstract will catch attention and set the right tone for the whole paper. And number 10. How to promote your work. After hours of research and writing, you have finally created a great scientific paper. But how do you get the recognition for it? Try this prompt and thank us later. These prompts will help you optimize your research and get more accurate results with less time spent. You can find these and other prompts by following the link below this video. And please give us a like for that. Conclusion. Remember, a good research paper is not just a product of processed data. It's a combination of proper planning, careful creation, and relentless revision. The prompts provided here are meant to guide you through every stage of writing a paper, ensuring that all aspects of the paper are polished to perfection. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment with your secret prompts. And see you in the next videos.